Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Victory Jackpot. This is the Arlen Ness edition, custom paint, awesome sounding slash cut exhaust. This bike is in beautiful condition. It's got LED brake light, turn signals, rear backrest, and luggage rack. This bike is really awesome. It's belt drive VTwin 100 cubic inches, which is 1,635 cc's. Lots of chrome. Price to sell just $84.99. Come by, check it out. Make your custom bike dreams come true. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Make a statement. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.